Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create coloring books like this for 100% free. And then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can monetize these coloring books and make money. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jercallora.com. In this YouTube channel, I talk about latest technology, product reviews, affiliate marketing, make money online. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Now, guys, this is the exact coloring books that I created using Midjourney. I'm going to be showing you guys the exact prompt that I use, guys, to create this beautiful coloring books that you can make money. You can monetize this, guys, sell this to different kind of platform. And I'm gonna be showing you those platform later in this video. But for now, I'm gonna be showing you in the back end and show you exactly how to create this coloring books right here, right? Now you need to have a Midjourney account or a Discord account. Now, if you don't know what is Midjourney, it's an AI software that allows you to generate images using only a keyword or using a text. So you can go to midjourney.com and you'll be able to land in this website right here. And all you have to do is to click on this join the beta, and it will take you this in the invitation page right here to join the Discord server. Now all you have to do is to click on accept invite, and it will let you log in or create your Discord account. Now you can use directly the Midjourney server. You can use this newbies servers from here. But I really encourage you guys to create your own server. That way you don't need to keep track of your creation. Because there's so many people out there creating their own images, creating their own creation, right? So what you need to do, guys, is you basically click on this add a server and create your own server, and click on that server, put in your server name. You can add in your own logo or image, something like this, and it will let you create your own server. But before you can create your own creation, you need to add the Midjourney bot. You can click on this Midjourney bot and click on add to server, and this is where you select a server. Click on the server that you've created and just click on continue, and it will automatically added the Midjourney bot inside of your server. So this is my server right here. As you can see, I'm the only person who created a creation inside of my server. That way, I don't need to keep track of my creation inside or outside of my own server. Right? So I have my own server. Right? Pretty much easily create my creation right here. So this is the coloring books that I created. So it's really beautiful, and I can easily create this. So the prompt that I'm using right here, guys, is simple. Just this prompt. The first creation that I created is this one right here. I created this creation and this creation right here, and then this coloring kids and baby dinosaurs. So the prompt that I use to do this is just this one right here. So you can use this coloring for kids, or you can use coloring books for kids, and then put in the keyword baby dinosaur and baby or human baby. So you know I put in like baby dinosaur and baby right here, and then in this next creation right here, I use this coloring for kids, baby dinosaur and human baby, and then I put in this isolated. This is gonna tell the AI that you need an image that is a white background, right? You can say something like um let's imagine and coloring books for kids, or coloring for kids, and then you could say something like ninja, or yeah, let's say ninja. Let's try ninja. Right, as you can see, it give us this background right here. We want an isolated background like this. So what we can do is we can copy this one, and then we can again put in a brand new command right here slash imagine coloring books ninja, and then isolated, right? Let's put in isolated. This is our brand new creation. As you can see, guys, we have an isolated image of a ninja right here. We can open this in a browser. We can download this, or we can create a variations out of this image. Let's say this. We will create a variation for this first one right here. Just click on B1. So this is the variations right here. So what we can do, guys, we can, save this and compile this images and sell this to different kind of places like Fiverr. Like this person right here, right now, this person is selling his creation. So this is the exact, you know, drawing that I use right here. Right. So this is my creation, a baby dinosaur and a human baby. And as you can see, this person has almost the same thing right here, right? You can easily create this and sell your creation inside of Fiverr. As you can see, this person is selling a service for $10. Standard is $25, and then premium is $50. Now, if we go to Etsy, there are a lot of people right now guys selling their creation. Like this one, who's selling his creation for $4. This one is $2, $2. This one is $6. You can make money with this guys just by selling your creation inside of this platform. And one of the example of that is this one right here. So this is a an adult coloring book. So what we can do, guys, is we can, you know, copy this prompt right here. So we can copy this one, and then we can go back to Midjourney, and we can put in like a brand new prompt, and then put in isolated, right? So I use this keyword right here. So adult coloring book, adult mandala, isolated. Let's try if we can generate an image, something like this, right? And we can sell this instead of Etsy, right? Let's try to use this keyword if we can generate an image, something like that. Alright guys, so as you can see guys, Midjourney provided us this mandala coloring books for adult, like this one right here, and you can sell this or list your creation instead of Etsy. Now what you can do is you can create aberrations out of this. Let's say you wanted to create aberration for the first one, click on that V1, and if you wanted to generate aberration out of this version 2, you can click on version 2. If you wanted to generate a variations for this third one, you can click on version 3 right here, and it will automatically generate those variations automatically right here, right? So these are the variations it's now creating. Alright guys, so as you can see guys, the variations is already created. We can, go open this one, and we can, compile this in Canva. You can go to Canva and compile this. You can choose 800 by 800, 800 by 800 pixel. And then all you have to do guys is to save this images right here, open this one and save this into your computer, and then just upload that inside of Canva. Just drag that in right here and compile that right here. So basically you need to, compile this one, but I need you guys to use uh, just a single image in one page, and all you have to do is add in a new page, right? Just compile these images, make it bigger, right? Something like that. Add in a brand new image, right? And then you basically add those creations inside here. And then one thing that you need to do, guys, is just to create a cover like this, right? So this is the good example of that. A coloring books for adult, or mandalas coloring books for adult. And you can create a product cover like this. You can do this inside of Canva, or you can use click designs. I actually use click designs. You can go to template right here, and then you can use cover, like this is cover, and then I have this cover right here that I can use for my creation, right? If you wanted to use click designs, I'm gonna put a link below this video, right? So that's basically it, and you need to just go to Fiverr. You can list your creation inside of Fiverr, or you can list your creation inside of Etsy, Amazon. There's so many places. Alright guys, so go ahead, try it out, list your creation inside of Etsy or Fiverr and make money with this. But if you wanted to learn the step-by-step process on how to do this, there is a training program called AI Coloring Books Empire. This is going to show you guys everything you need to know about creating and monetizing and making money with coloring books, alright? And if you wanted to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video. I'm going to throw in some special bonuses right here that will help you guys out surefire your success. My bonus number one, I'm gonna give you guys access to this software right here that will let you create a product mock-up and cover like this. This can save you hundreds of dollars because this is a monthly payment, but you don't need to pay for a monthly payment because I'm gonna give you guys access to this for 100% free. Alright, so that is my bonus number one. You can create unlimited product cover and product map-up like this, right? So that's basically my bonus number one. And then my bonus number two is Canva Pro account. My bonus number three is I'm gonna be showing you guys not just Etsy or Fiverr. I'm gonna be showing you guys 20 more places to sell your coloring books and make money, right? And then my bonus number four, I'm gonna be showing you guys 50 additional ways to monetize your coloring books and make money with your coloring books. And then my last bonus for you guys is 300,000 done for your ebooks that comes with a result right. So those are all of my bonuses. If you would love to learn or check out the AI coloring books impact. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content likes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.